Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, just keep watching. So I need to do something with the lips. So I just found this lipstick on my table. It's this Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Berry Boss. So here we go. We're just gonna use this just because it's here. And it's a really pretty shade. I really like that. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna use the Bella Beauté Bar Recently De-Influenced palette. I do have an affiliate code with them, and it's just my first name, Ashley, A-S-H-L-E-Y. If you would like to use it, that would really help me out, and I would appreciate that so much, but no pressure. All right, so I'm probably, for time's sake, because of course I'm running late like no other, we're gonna do the same look on both eyes. So let's start with the shade Energy Vampire right here. All right, you guys, so how are you doing? I have to be honest, my period started last night. I've been in so much pain. I just have so much that I need to do. It's like, it's basically becoming impossible. I mean, I'm gonna try and do a live today. It is Sunday, but it's just becoming impossible for me to find time to do lives and do everything else that I need to do because I hate rushing doing my makeup. And every Sunday, by the time I finally get home, because I have to film a long form video for my channel, because I can only film on weekends, Saturday and Sunday, I am like rushing through trying to get a look done and then trying to do a live, and it's just becoming impossible. And I'm just wearing myself out just so thin. Like I just don't have time. Like I don't know how I don't have a life. Like all I do is work and then just run, do errands, and just work, do laundry, whatever my mom may need help with. Like I just don't have the time to do the things that I wish that I could do. And I get really frustrated with myself. And like you can't make more time. But I don't know. I just wish that I could have just an extra hour or two, like on a Sunday, just so I could maybe just kind of like relax and kind of do things that I need to do and just not be so rushed. But that just does not. All right, we're gonna go with the shade Lash Lighting. But that's just something that just doesn't happen in my life. So I don't know, things are just really hard. Like and my headlight went out and I went by one of the local auto places and the guy's like, no, I can't get to it, whatever. So I'm gonna have to take it to my mechanic, and I don't know when he'll be able to get me in, and like I don't want to get it pulled over a million times and get a crap ton of tickets because my headlight's out, because like I'm literally like, I can't, I don't know. I feel like if he couldn't get his hand down there, I couldn't do it myself either. And all I need is to really F something up because I don't know what I'm doing, or I pull the wrong wire. And yeah, because don't have money for serious car repairs. Don't have money for anything, but you know, especially not that. So, all right. I feel like we've got a good, I don't even know what you would call this, a good start. Just call it a good start. Okay, now I do really like that. Okay, I'm trying to focus, but like whenever I'm like in a rush, I try to really focus, but then sometimes I focus too much and then I just kind of like get stuck in this daze and I just get nowhere. All right, I'm gonna take the shade Monetize right here, and that's gonna go on the outer portion of the eye. And then I'm gonna take one of those orange shades and put it on the lower lash line. Ooh. Alright, you guys, sorry, I just space out sometimes. Let's see. I'm gonna go with the shade Paid Partnership, which is this really pretty, just deep orange right here. And that's what's gonna go on the lower lash line. My house is so noisy. Okay. Now for a shimmer shade. Actually, I don't think I've used the shade Collab. It doesn't look like I have, so let's go in with that one. Holy crap, that is phenomenal. Okay. Okay. I kind of want to take, let's see. Let's take some of the shade Depleted and just put that like in the center of the eye just because. I like that. Okay, so now we need a lower inner corner highlight. Let's go with Backlash right here. That is like a really, it's like a chunkier shade, so I just got like a lot like right there. Now I need to try and match that. Alright, I feel like that's probably not close, but it's probably as close as we're gonna get. So, I'm gonna go put on a little bit of liner, some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. If you know, you know. Okay. Let's do a little final look. Alright, you guys, and this is with the Bella Beauté Bar recently Deinfluenced palette. I love this palette. There we go. And again, I do have an affiliate code with them. It's just my first name, Ashley, A-S-H-L-E-Y. If you guys want to check them out and use my code, I'd really appreciate it. If not, no pressure. I think that's it. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.